Hello students, this is Mrs. Kalpana Naidu. Today we start with class 7th Geography, Chapter 1, Environment. Now children, environment is everything around us. Here is a story of a boy named Ravi. He was just like you all. After the long vacation, when Ravi started going to school again, he noticed that the only playground next to his school was dug up. People said that a huge building with many flats will be constructed there. Ravi was almost in tears when he realized that the big playground with its soft grass, marigolds and butterflies is gone forever. He shared his feeling with his classmates. In the assembly, the principal too sadly observed, "See how our environment is changing," she said. So in the class, Ravi asked his teacher, "What is environment?" So ma'am said, "Whatever you see in your surroundings." Ravi thought aloud. That means the school building, table, chair in the classroom, even that open field, the road, the garbage, my friends, all are part of our environment. So when he was thinking, then again in the class, "Yes," said the teacher, "but wait, some objects are created by nature. For example, mountain, river, trees, animals. Other are made by people. For example, roads, car, clothes, books." Now, so the teacher was explaining the children that some environment were man-made and some environment naturally exists. And then the teacher asked them to make the pair and sit together and create for the creation of nature and by human being. Make the list. The teacher asked them to make the list with the classmates, sit in the pair and write. Then Ravi and his friends, they sat together and they were excited and making the list. So then one of the friend, Iqbal, he asked, "What is our environment? Why is our environment changing?" Iqbal asked. So then Ravi replied that it's all because of our needs. The teacher replied, "It is all because of our needs. They are because our environment is changing, because of our needs are changing day by day, and in order to fulfill these needs, what we are doing, we are modifying and times even destroying our natural surrounding." So the teacher gave an explanation that main reason was modifying the surrounding and destroying the natural surrounding which we have. Then children, here in this box we see, here it is written, environment is our basic life support. Now what is life support? Life support is that we cannot stay without it. Okay, life supporting system that we cannot stay without it. So environment is our basic life supporting system. It provides the air we breathe. So fresh air we get from environment. The water we drink, which is very essential, we get from environment. The food we eat, and the land where we live. So these are all are very important for us, and these all things we get from our environment. How do human begins modifying this natural environment? We will see now. Why children, what do you think, why people are modifying the natural, human beings are modifying this natural environments? Yes, because for their luxury, and they want to grow and they want the development, so they are modifying this, human beings are modifying this natural environment. How? We will see. The car fumes pollute the air. Water is collected in a pot. Food is served in vessel, and land is used to build factories. So these are all the things human beings are doing. Even human beings make cars, mills, factories, and manufacture containers. This is how human beings modify natural environment. So because of the needs are growing, and because of the luxury, the human being is modifying the environment, the natural environment human being is modifying. Then we will see there are 3 components of the environment. So what are the 3 components, children? Can you see in the picture? 3 components are natural environment, human made environment, and human. So we will see in detail what is natural environment, what is human made environment, and what is human. These are the 3 components of environment. So we will see in the picture here. Can you see, children? Here it is given. Now elements of environment. So there are natural environment, then humans. Can you see? Humans environment means your family, an individual person, the community. All these are called humans or human environment. And then the next is human made environment. Human made environments are what? Buildings, roads, monuments, whatever things made by human are human made environment. Even the cars, the aeroplanes, okay, all the things whichever are made by human are human made environment. And humans means the environment, all the human beings that comes in that category, humans. And second is human made environment. Then we see in the next picture. Now we see about we have seen about human, and we have seen about human made environment. We will see about third, that is natural environment. So natural environment is divided into 2 parts, that is biotic and abiotic. So biotics are what? Abiotics are what? The world of non-living elements. Example, can you see here? Non-living things that like sun, okay, water, air, land. These are what? Abiotic. That is non-living things. And then second category is biotic. That is living beings, living things like plants and animals, bacteria, fungi. All the living things are biotic or living organism. The world of living organism are that. So then we come to our, there is a picture in the book. It is compiled of everything is here. Can you see? components of environment. So, first is natural environment. That is, see, natural environment is made of water, that is hydrosphere, which we have studied in 6th standard. Air, that is atmosphere. Then land, lithosphere, and living things, that is biosphere. All the living things together come in biosphere. Then we have categorized, children, you know na, biotic and abiotic. In natural environment there are two types of natural environment, which we have studied now only in the previous slide. Now we come to human made environment. See, whatever things made by human is buildings, parks, bridges, roads, monuments, industries. All the things which are made by human are called human made environment. And now humans, the third is humans. The third component is human itself, that is individual, you, me, and we all, and our family, our community, our religion, all the people in the religion, educational institute, all the people in their institute, the economic, all the people there, the political, all the political parties, the situation, everybody, all the humans in that includes human environment, humans. Okay, so children, you understood all the three components of the environment. So from the above conversation of the story, we understood that place, people, thing, and nature that surrounds any living organism is called environment. So understood, children? So what is environment? The surrounding, everything around us, that place, people, thing, and nature that surround any living organism is called environment. It is a combination of natural and human made phenomena. Now what is phenomena? Environment is made of natural environment and human made environment, and phenomena means facts, occurrence, or circumstance observed. It is something that observed to happen or exist. So environment is combination of natural and human made phenomena, while the natural environment refers to both biotic and abiotic conditions exist on the earth. So in natural environment, both the categories are there. Biotic, we have seen living organism, the world of living organism, plants and animals, and abiotic, which we have seen, which is the world of non-living elements. Example of land, air, water we have seen. Human environment reveals the activities, creations, and interactions among human beings. So the environment have the activities and the interaction and relation among each other.